So here I have the EGR replacement home filters, and if you're looking to replace your filters, which you got to do, every few months, these are going to be a great affordable option for you. What's nice is you can see here they do come individually packed, so you don't need to use them all at once, and they're not going to get, dirty sitting around either. They're all vacuum sealed, so you can leave them in the box, come back months later when you do need to use the extra ones, and they're going to be brand new for you, which is a really nice perk. And as you saw there, you do get cleaning brushes as well, so you can get these as clean as possible, and also some activated carbon pre-filters, and you get 8 of those in addition to the 4 filters. But as for the filters themselves, these are going to be true HEPA filters, so they're going to capture 99.9% of particles, so they are going to keep your air as clean as humanly possible. And another great thing about these is they're compatible with a bunch of home models. It's honestly too many to be naming off, but they do show all of them in the description. So you should be able to use these for whatever home filters you have. It's pretty much like a universal fit. So overall, great bang for your buck. Keep your air clean.